playing fields into battlefields is an unusual sport, but such mock medieval encounters are but a reflection of an even older tradition. Called wushu, once deadly Chinese martial arts are now performed almost as gymnastics.
Elle est entrée ici.
She has won 5 gold medals in China for her performances with such ancient weapons as the 3-sectioned cudgel.
Julia est entrée dans l'appartement.
These performers are skilled in the techniques of Qigong. Qi is the name given to the vital force which enables them to ignore pain.
Ils chantent sous la pluie.
Elle est sortie de sa chambre.
The spear is razor sharp. The force exerted on their necks is sufficient to drive the spear through their bodies. A sudden thrust could kill. The 2 men must balance the pressure and through the use of qi, demonstrate their imperviousness to pain. The demonstration will not end until they or the
Marie
spear
est sortie
itself
de sa chambre.
breaks.
Le chat est sorti du
The
placard.
mastery of qi is a Chinese phenomenon. In Italy, however, it is not qi, but cheese that is the centerpiece of a sport of rare dimensions.
Placard.
A 15-inch
Est-ce que
wheel
je
of the
peux
good,
entrer?
hard local variety. Not to eat, but to throw. The competition is between the villages of Giubio and Perugia.
Duo, pourquoi tu es entré dans le
Hazards are
frigo?
part of the game. The winner is decided by distance. The contest is called the Sagra del Russolini. The winner gets a trophy and a slightly used wheel of cheese. Distance, however, does not always determine a victor. In another village, accuracy is the goal of a potential champion. The object is to strike the center post, but you get points if your cheese stays within the circle. The competitor with the most points will be declared the winner. The winning cheese, however, will remain undistinguished
Il y a des araignées dans
unless it
cette
ends up
maison.
here to grace a table in a cafe on the sidewalks of Paris. When good Americans die, a wit once commented, they go to Paris. And if you're already in Paris and you happen to be a waiter, you go to the races.
Placard. Le chien.
Once each year since 1975, the streets of Paris have been the scene for a massive delivery of aperitifs as hundreds of waiters demonstrate that they can move fast when they want to. Winding through 5 miles of Paris streets, the course is familiar ground to most contestants. Even a sudden afternoon rain does not noticeably affect the pace.
Le chat est entré.
A fast French waiter is almost a contradiction in terms, as extraordinary as Englishmen who jump off piers in the noonday sun.
De la maison.
The contest is in Portsmouth, England. A prize will go to the first competitor to fly a little over 50 yards.
Le
So far,
chien
the prize
est
has gone unclaimed.
entré. Dans le placard.
Le
In Japan, the prize would have been claimed long ago. For them, the British distance was almost child's play.
sortie.
The English are quick to point out, however,
De
that
la
comparisons are unfair despite
maison.
sometimes similar results. The pier is the
Le
same height, but on an
chat
inland lake,
est
the Japanese do not have to
sorti.
contend with unpredictable British winds.
De
A word of warning, don't try
la
this yourself. It's
maison.
a dangerous sport. The men flying these modified hang gliders know what they're doing. Most of the time. A spectator
Julia est entrée dans
is as
l'appartement.
much a carnival as a contest. In the end, however, British hopes become a Japanese fact. The distance to beat is now well over 100 yards. A gentle splashdown is something that is a rarity in the village of Aturi on the Italian island of Sardinia. For here, on an otherwise uneventful Sunday afternoon, the villagers respond to an ancient call.